In today's video, I will be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out in Microsoft Word. There are three ways to do this. The first way is by heading over to the bottom right part of your Microsoft Word page where you will see a percentage, okay? Once you see that percentage, just go ahead and left click. Once you left click, you will see this pop-up menu that will appear. Now in this pop-up menu, you have three preset percentages, okay? So you have 200%, 100, and 75. Now the most common, the one that is the percentage that is mostly used is 100%. Okay, so this is the most preferred percentage for when you're working on a document. But if you want to choose 75%, you can just come and click on it and click OK. And as you can see, that percentage will be applied. And if you want to choose 200%, you can just do the same thing. Now, if you want to input your own custom percentage, you can just come here and write your own percent. So let me write 211% and click on OK. And as you can see, that percentage will be applied on my document. So that is the first way in which you can zoom in and zoom out. The other way is by when you go to the bottom right part of your Microsoft Word page, you will see that you have a toggle right here. So if you want to zoom in, you will just move this toggle to the right, and as you can see, we will zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, we will move this toggle to the left, and as you can see, we will zoom out. Okay, so this is the second way in which you can accomplish this. The third way is that if you're using a mouse, okay, you will just go ahead to your keyboard and press on Ctrl, and then scroll in on your by using your mouse. Use your mouse to scroll in if you want to zoom in, and to scroll out if you want to zoom out, like that. Okay, and that is simply how you zoom in and zoom out in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like, and please make sure subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.